Welcome back to 50 Car. In a realm where raw power meets refined innovation, the 2025 Hummer H3 emerges as a modern icon. Fusing its celebrated rugged heritage with futuristic engineering and luxurious details that captivate both die-hard enthusiasts and seasoned drivers alike. This reimagined Hummer H3 boasts standout features such as an advanced powertrain, robust off-road capability, and an adaptive chassis that promises to redefine performance in extreme environments. Its exterior design unfolds with an aggressive, angular front grille, sharply contoured LED headlamps, and sculpted body lines that convey strength and purpose. Though its bold proportions may challenge urban agility. Inside, the cabin offers a sophisticated blend of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. A digital dashboard seamlessly integrates navigation and performance metrics, while ergonomically designed seats ensure lasting comfort. Yet, some may find the array of modern interfaces a tad overwhelming for those favoring traditional simplicity. Under the hood, a high-output engine delivers exhilarating acceleration, impressive top speeds, and refined driving dynamics on both rugged trails and smooth highways. Although the cost of specialized part replacements and warranty nuances could be a concern over time. Market positioning places the 2025 Hummer H3 as a premium, yet accessible option for mature adventurers and younger thrill seekers alike. Competitively priced against other luxury off-road vehicles while offering a driving experience that balances brute force with refined comfort. Additional features include customizable exterior options, an extended warranty covering key performance components, and a suite of smart accessories designed to enhance every journey. Every element of this concept underscores Hummer's dedication to pushing boundaries without sacrificing its time-honored legacy. Inviting drivers to experience a blend of tradition and innovation that is as daring as it is dynamic.